Hello, what's up, guys? Today I'm gonna tell you how you can change your alarm volume in your Samsung mobile phone. So stay tuned with us, I will guide you step by step. So I will open my clock application. Here you can see clock. In this clock application, you can see your volume. You can see your alarm, world clock, stopwatch, timer, and any option you want. You can use it according to your need. So here you can see two alarms are set by me. So now I will change its volume. So I will change first one 5:15. So I will click on this. So and then go. I will click on alarm sound. So here you can see in the bottom you can change your volume according to your need. So you can change according to your need. So I will not play this tune due to copyright issues. So you can change your volume in this way. So after that, once you change, so you have to click on save. So now your volume has been saved. So you can do in all your alarm in this way to change your alarm volume. So I hope you got it. Thanks for watching.